guys, you don't want your cornchaff to be completely void of water, and you don't want it to be watery too. So you have to strike a balance, and this is it. This is the original cornchaff recipe. Like, this is it, guys. So beautiful. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? We're down to the preparation of cornchaff today, guys, or you can say corn and beans mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and introduce some ingredients. I'm gonna keep it very simple and easy so you can prepare it at any time. So we have some corn here, approximately 900 grams of corn. This has already been peeled, but I'm gonna make a video to show you guys how to peel your corn locally at home with time. So guys, be patient. We have approximately 1 kilogram of beans. Make sure that the quantity of beans used is more than the quantity of corn used in order for you to have the best combination of cornchaff or corn and beans mix. The first thing we're going to do will be to soak our corn and beans separately in water for approximately 1 hour. Let's go, guys. So after adding in water, I'm just gonna put a lid over my pressure pot and take to the stove. So I have a lid over my pressure pot, and I'm gonna take this and boil the corn for as long as possible until it's really soft. See you guys with the results. Cover this up and place on the stove to boil till soft. So guys, our corn is ready. Also, our beans is ready. So the next thing we're going to do is wash both our corn and beans under tap water. Guys, make sure you always wash your beans thoroughly before cooking in order to avoid stomach upset. So guys, see you later. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and introduce all the ingredients needed to prepare our cornchaff. Crayfish, chili flakes. In place of chili flakes, you can use fresh habanero peppers, country onion ground, black pepper ground, salt, some fresh tomatoes, vegetable cubes or Maggi cubes, thyme, ginger, garlic, red and white onion, a lot of it, guys, and some spring onions, palm oil, your corn, and beans already boiled. Let me show you guys all the ingredients again from above. Beautiful. We're keeping it very simple, guys. Some people use cow skin or dry fish in the preparation of their cornchaff, but I wanted to keep it traditional and basic. So let's dive into the preparation. Put your corn. And your beans. Guys, it's too full, so I'm gonna use another pot. So after putting our corn and beans in the pot, we're gonna go ahead and blend our spices. So we're gonna go ahead and chop tomatoes, ginger, onion, spring onion, and garlic, and blend. Guys, presenting to you our ground spices. Guys, make sure that your spices are coarsely ground. Look, they are not finely ground. So we're just going to pour this over our corn and beans mix. This is our corn and beans. And we're just going to pour everything into the pot. We're just going to pour everything over the corn and beans mix. The next thing will be to put our chili flakes. If you want it spicy, you can use fresh habanero peppers in place of chili flakes. I'm going to put our thyme, our black pepper, some salt, and our Maggi or vegetable cubes. We're going to rinse our blender and add to the pot. So cover this up and place on the stove. Guys, immediately you notice some boiling, open up your pot and mix everything up. Guys, the next thing we're going to do will be to add our palm oil. Mix everything up. At this stage, we are going to add our country onion and crayfish. So this is our crayfish. And then lastly, our country onion. Mix everything up. Taste and make sure your Maggi and salt are balanced at this stage, and then cover up your pot. Let this boil on low heat for approximately 30 minutes. So guys, as I earlier said, to thicken up your conchaff, you have to boil on low heat, very low heat for between 30 minutes to 1 hour. So I've been boiling for approximately 30 minutes or so, and we're going to check at this point. Stir or mix everything up. You see how thick this has become? Oh, conchaff of conchaffs. Cover this up and let this boil again on low heat, as I earlier said, for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. See you later. So guys, we're going to mix up our conchaff at this point because it's ready. It's so thick, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Just kidding. Please subscribe, like and share. Click also on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload. Love you guys. Thank you guys for all your subscriptions, likes and shares. I really appreciate it, as I always say. So make sure you make some conchaff at home this week. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.